Thunderstorm, honey. Ooh. We are having ourselves a little rainstorm, aren't we, babe? Yes, we are. Oh, boy. Kitty cats are liking all this rain. Ooh. Let's see what it looks like over here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we had some thunder and lightning. We lost electricity for a minute. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. It's raining in our little neck of the woods. Ow. 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 Stepping on. The wind's blowing. The rain's coming down. I got home from work just in time. It hadn't dumped on us yet. I jumped in the shower real quick before I lose electricity. And then here it is. It has arrived. There goes lightning. Should hear thunder in a minute, right? Wow. Ooh, that was a good one. Some more. Little storm passing through. Well, we keep the kitty cats warm and dry, don't we? Yes, we do in this messy little house of ours. OMG, we are getting wet. We're getting a good soaking. Woot woot.